Hi there, it's me, Gamer Tyler here. I'm recapping My Little Pony Friendship is Magic, Season 1, Episode 21, Over a Barrel, Episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Please subscribe, watch fully, and send donations. Thanks. Let's get started. Episode 21, Over a Barrel. Applejack and her friends deliver an apple tree to the founding frontier town of Appaloosa. They found out that the ponies in the town are in conflict with a nearby buffalo tribe, who have previously used the land as a running ground until the town planted an apple grove. Twilight and friends worked to establish peace between the two sides. A peace song performed at an inappropriate time leads the two world sides to declare war on each other. The buffalo charge the town, who fire on the buffalo with apple pies. When a buffalo chieftain is hit with a pie, he discovers it is tasty and quickly puts an end to the battle. The two groups agreed to peaceful solution. Ponies leave a trail for the buffalo to run through the apple grove while the buffalo get ready to enjoy apple pies made from the fruits. Episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Princess Celestia visits Ponyville along with her seemingly sick pet bird, Philomenia. Fluttershy, worried about the bird's health, secretly takes Philomenia to her cottage and tries to help her, but everything she does seems to worsen the bird's condition. When Twilight discovers that, she gets involved in helping cure Philomenia, and learns that Celestia's ground guards are looking for it. Eventually, Philomena escapes, leading Twilight and Fluttershy on a chase through town. They chase into Philomena falls from the top of the statue, bursting to flames and falling in a pile of ash into Fluttershy's hoofs. Just as Celestia arrives, Fluttershy profoundly apologizes, ready to take any punishment before Celestia reveals that Philomena is a phoenix. Fluttershy rises from the ashes. Philomena rises from the ashes as a powerful bird, and that Celestia, his assistants, apologizes to Fluttershy for messing with her. His assistant apologizes to Fluttershy for messing with her. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Help get 1,000 plus subscribers. Watch fully helps increase the watch hours to 4,000 plus. Send donations to the Patreon page at Inventory Space Tunes, starting at $2 a month. Have a blessed day. See you next video visit. Bye for now. Bye.